Here we have an Audi RS3. So what we've done, we installed a integrated CarPlay system. So let me just show you this. So if we get into the car. So this is the stereo that comes standard with the car. So you turn the ignition on. The screen pops up.
Well, those are 10. Better tomorrow, just some showers around.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how the CarPlay works. So first of all, we're going to have to go into the menu system to actually go into source. So we're going to media, and where's a source there, we're going to source, and we need to have the external audio player. So we do that. So this set, you leave this on the external audio player for the CarPlay, so any audio that comes through the CarPlay will go through the car speakers. So you can just leave the setting permanently on that if you want to use the CarPlay, if you use Spotify and what have you. So on the actual controls, if we actually push and hold the back button, like so, and it flicks onto the CarPlay menu system. So now, what I'm going to do is pair my phone up to it. So I'm going to go into settings, go to Bluetooth settings, and basically look for this integrated system, which is just there. So I click on that, so I go pair, and allow. So now it's starting to link up to it. Now my phone's asking if I want to use CarPlay, which I'll do. And just give it a few moments, and now that's it. That's all linked up. So now I've got my CarPlay. So I'm just using the factory controls to navigate round. So if I go into my Spotify, I could play that now, and whenever I play will now come out the audio of the car, like so. And go into Google Maps, and I don't need to touch my phone at all. I could search for destinations, put in destinations, all through the controls of the Audi system. Also phone, so I can make phone calls, and you have a typical CarPlay menu. So if you've got Waze, things like that, you can put that on there as well. There you go, and you can split the signal like any CarPlay system. So you have Waze and then your Spotify thing there. This has reverse camera, so if I put it into reverse, it flicks to the reverse camera, so nothing changes there. Take it out reverse, and it goes back to the CarPlay menu. So that's an integrated CarPlay system on this Audi RS3.